morning, guys. It is April 1st. April na. I didn't vlog the whole week because nagkasakit yung mga bata after our trip. Tapos, naging busy lang sa bagay-bagay. So, yeah, April 1st. So, ngayon, hatid natin si Kuya Vin sa school. So, guys, hatid natin si Kuya Vince. So guys, yesterday it was snowing and then today it's actually a good day kasi maaraw na naman. Hi Vince, good morning.
Hi. Morning.
So today we are walking. Hatid natin siya sa school nila. Malapit lang sa bahay. So since spring is coming up, tapos malapit na mag-summer, hopefully we will do this more often. Plus, the two kids, Isabel and Nico, they're still sleeping, and my mother-in-law is home today, so siya yung nagtitingin sa dalawang chikitings while ihahatid ko si Kuya Vince. Kasi malilate si Uncle Brian ngayon, kaya ako na naghatid sa kanya. And then, may snow pa rin siya. Pero, araw na. Yan. So, and today is April Fool's Day, guys. So, April 1st na. April na. Malapit lang ang school ni Kuya dito. So, kung malaki-laki na siya, tapos pwede na siya maglakad by himself, he could just walk right over kasi malapit lang sa bahay. So, yung last vlog, remember, hinatid ko siya sa harap ng school. Ngayon, doon tayo sa likod ng school. Kasi, yung bahay namin, malapit lang, which is, may alleyway siya sa likod. Yan, see? Yan. So, maglalakad tayo dyan. Tapos, after, yan na yung schoolyard nila. Right? Kuya Vince? Ha? Plus, may exercise ako ngayon, guys. Oh, you have to be careful there. It's gonna be slippery. Guys, yellow pa lang. Hi, Priya. I love you. Yan yun siya papasok. Yan na yung school. Bye. Okay. Uwi na ako, guys. At least, may lakad ako this morning. Nagka-exercise din. Kaya, yan. Nasa yun na. Uwi na ako. If you seen the last vlog, parang ang layo-layo ng drive ko, pero hindi. Malapit lang. Kaya, uwi na tayo, guys. Hi, guys. Okay. Dito na ako sa bahay. Magko-coffee muna ako, tapos kukuha ko ng breakfast, and then aakyat na. Sana matulog pa siya para makapag-edit pa ako ng video. Guys, wala na, talagang gising na siya. Hi! Hi! Hoy, dito. Hi! Hi! Good morning! Guys, hindi pa pwede masyado mag-ingay. Tulog pa yun isa ko. Guys, sa camera siya talaga nakatingin, hindi sa akin. Sabi niya siguro, ano yan? Ano yan? Guys, padidiin ko muna to. And hopefully, he'll go back to sleep. Para magawa ko yung dapat kong gawin. Kung hindi, sorry na lang ako. Say bye guys. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's 3 o'clock now. We're gonna go pick up Kuya Vince with these kiddos. Since hindi masyadong malamig, I think it's only 3 degrees or 4 degrees. Hindi na yan malamig sa akin. Where? Yan. Okay, we're here guys. Nasa backyard kami.
And the big one is here.
Pupunta kami doon sa side na yon para pick upin si Kuya. Kuya, say hi!
Hi. I back. Hey.
Yan ang school nila guys. Pauwi na kami. Yan. You'll be seeing a lot of outside pretty soon. Nice.
One of my friends took tape and then grabbed the teacher's mouse and then he put the tape on the sensor. So then it wouldn't work. And then my teacher was trying to figure out what happened and she looked under the mouse and she figured it out. And she asked who did it.
April Fool's Day.
Yeah. I kept on doing this to my friends. I tap someone's back and then they turn around and I hide somewhere else. And they don't know where I am. And I say, April Fool. Bye.
Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Stop jumping, you're gonna fall down.
Thank you, and I bid you a fond farewell.
Are we gonna go pick up Kevin's?
You didn't have to bite my head off.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
They ran for it.
Oh, and
They
look.
ran for it.
My helpers for today. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hello, people. Where did the other two go? Oh, one's driving. The other one's hiding. Fantastic. One's just dragging the.
Guys, it's April 2nd. We're gonna go pick up Kuya Vince again. And my sisters are here today to help me out. So, thank goodness they keep me sane sometimes. And I have oh, there. He's all covered up kasi malamig pa rin, mahangin today. Let's see. There's Nico. Hey guys. My only exercise. Okay. See you guys later. There guys. Our after school crew. Pickup crew. We're gonna be seeing all of this during summer. It's windy. It's windy. Maririnig niyo yung hangin guys. It's so windy. Okay, we're heading home. Again. Da-da-da-da. Hi guys, look, wala nang snow. Cleared na. We are going to Ikea. Ikea guys. Saan?
Yeah, go upstairs.
Upstairs. Showrooms. Mga showrooms. Nika. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Mga showrooms nila. Hi, Izzy. Say hi, guys. Nakapasyal din kami. Nakalabas din kami ngayon. Yeah, what's that? Pig? What's that? Huh? Dog. Dog. What's that? What's there?
Mommy,
Yeah. Bed. Yeah, bed. Here, sit here. Go sit there. No? Go sit there. No? Okay. Bed? There. Wow, princess bed. No?
Go inside. Wow. Sit down. Go inside.
Yeah, chair. Is that a chair? Wow.
Easy come.
This is cute. Mga boss. Ito, pwede ba pagkainan to? Here. Mga ganito. Itong size na to.
Di ba malaki siya sa kamay yan?
Ano?
Okay lang.
Magkano yan?
May itim doon. Ay, man ito. Itim mo naman. Hindi na.
What api? Open.
Maliit.
The black, the black.
Blue.
O yan, may design. Wala ba yun may design? We're looking for bowls, guys. Bowls. Okay, so we're gonna get 4 of this. 1. Kuha rin ako ng ganito, guys. Pillowcases. And this. 50. Bili rin kami ng washroom. Yes, baby. Ako bili ng ganito. Ha? Para sa dining. Yan. Tapos na kami, guys, going home hopefully, or mag-take out muna kami ng food. Hi guys, so pupunta ako sa kitchen warehouse sale ngayon. Parang madaming tao, so in and out lang tayo. Hopefully makukuha ko agad yung mga kailangan kong bilihin. So yun, tapos susundin ko si Kuya Vince. So yan, warehouse sale ng mga kitchen supplies, ganon. So tignan ko kung makaka-vlog din ako kasi masyadong madaming tao. Sige guys, pipili ako nito kasi nasira na yung ganito namin. Ito ako ng red. Hindi ako masyadong makapag-vlog kasi masyadong madaming tao. So yan ang nasa cart ko. So yan. So yan ang gusto kong bilihin, at tapos yun mat para sa labas. So yan ang warehouse. Masyadong madaming tao doon sa clearance section nila. Yung dalawa na nasa cart ko, sa clearance ko sila nakuha. So yan guys, bibili rin ako ng ganito kasi 6 bucks lang pag anuhan ng mga juice sana, pero wag na kasi hindi siya plastic, mababasag ni Isabel. Guys, yung mga gusto kong puntahan na areas, masyadong madaming tao, kaya yan, hindi ako makapag-vlog properly. Diba? Murang-mura lang. So, yan na lang. Tapos kukuha na lang ako ng outdoor mat. Yan lang. Tapos na. Cooling towel. Maganda yung maganda yan sa Pilipinas. Yan. Kapag damage na naman ako guys, maglulok na lang ako ng outdoor mat. Bango naman. Dito tayo sa mga 3 bucks. Ako ng dalawa. Binibili ko to noon kasi mababango, tapos ngayon mahal na siya, noon mga 2 something lang siya. Pero pili ako ng dalawa para pang pabango lang. Bili ako ng outdoor mat, pero ewan ko. Ito yung sa amin ngayon. No, actually, binili ko na to noon. So, ewan ko kung ano. Siguro same thing. Kasi mura lang siya, $10 guys. So, I think puli rin ako ng same thing. Ito na lang bilihin ko guys. Do not enter. Kasi ito, fans welcome. Ganito na yan sa amin noon. Kaya, bilhin ko na lang ito. Yan guys. Ang ganda ng madaming line up. Kaya nag-check out na ako. Yan o, massive savings. Madaming mga ganyan na naka-line up ka para makakuha ka pa ng mga add-ons. Tapos na ako nag-shopping. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog. Nag-vlog ako through my cellphone. Kasi kung camera pa, nahihiya ako. Yan guys, we pick up Kuya Vince.
Hi guys!
And we're heading home. Yan, mag-ano lang tayo ng haul before we go in the house. So, I spent about $66 with tax. So, yan. So,
That's a lot.
yeah. So, naano rin ako sa, you know how sa register, there's like a lot of stuff in there. Nakakuha rin ako ng parang waterproof. So, I'll just show you guys.
I'm gonna go in, okay? Okay, bye guys. I'm going inside. Bye.
Okay, so guys, this one here, this was about $5.88, so mga $6. Tapos yung pinakita ko sa inyong mat, that was $9.88. Tapos ito, yung pabango na to, this was $3.88. Tapos yung blender, remember, ito, bumili ako ng blender. This was $24.88. Tapos bumili rin ako ng mamaya ko na ipapakita, parang red na paglagyan ng mga pagkain. That was $5, at saka paglagyan ng cake. So $5 din yun guys. So yan ang haul sa Kitchen Snack Plus. So that's my video for today guys. So yan, sa uulitin.